Tea. A hot or cold beverage made by steeping leaves in water. Example: I enjoy a hot cup of tea in the morning. She likes to add milk to her tea. Would you like some herbal tea? Tea is a popular beverage worldwide. I prefer green tea over black tea. Tea helps me relax after a long day. I drink tea to warm up in winter. Lemon tea is refreshing on hot days. I always start my day with a cup of tea. I need a teaspoon to stir my tea. Jasmine tea has a lovely aroma. Do you take your tea with sugar? I like to have a biscuit with my tea. I enjoy trying different tea flavors. Would you like a cup of tea? Coffee. A hot or cold drink made from roasted coffee beans. Example: I need a cup of coffee to wake up. She prefers black coffee without sugar. Can I get a refill on my coffee? Coffee beans are roasted to make coffee. Do you prefer hot or iced coffee? I enjoy sitting at a cafe and sipping coffee. Coffee is a popular morning beverage. I drink coffee to boost my energy. I take my coffee strong and black. Coffee shops are great places to socialize. I love the taste of coffee with chocolate. She savored every sip of her coffee. Coffee is a staple in my daily routine. I enjoy trying different coffee blends. Would you like a cup of coffee? Milk. A white liquid produced by mammals used as a drink. Example: I pour milk into my cereal every morning. She likes to drink warm milk before bed. Milk is an important source of calcium. I need to buy some milk for baking. I add a splash of milk to my tea. He drinks a glass of milk after working out. I love the creamy texture of milk. Milk is used to make various dairy products. I often make a creamy pasta sauce with milk. Do you have any lactose-free milk? A cold glass of milk is refreshing. She enjoys a glass of chocolate milk. Milk is a common ingredient in desserts. I use milk to make a smoothie. Would you like some milk with your coffee? Beer. An alcoholic beverage made from fermented grains. Example: I enjoy a cold beer on a hot day. He ordered a pint of beer at the pub. Beer is a popular alcoholic beverage. I like to try different types of beer. She prefers a light beer over a dark one. I enjoy the frothy head on my beer. Beer pairs well with barbecued food. He brewed his own beer at home. Beer festivals are a fun social event. Beer is often enjoyed with friends. I prefer a cold draft beer. I like to relax with a beer after work. Beer is best served chilled. Some people collect beer bottle caps. Beer can be enjoyed in moderation. Wine. An alcoholic drink made from fermented grapes or other fruits. Example: I enjoy a glass of wine with dinner. She prefers red wine over white. Wine is made from fermented grapes. I like to explore different wine regions. Champagne is a sparkling wine variety. A glass of wine will help you relax. Wine pairs well with cheese and fruits. He collects rare and vintage wines. I enjoy a chilled glass of rose wine. Wine enhances the flavors of food. I prefer a dry wine over a sweet one. Wine glasses come in different shapes. I like to swirl the wine in my glass. Wine has been enjoyed for centuries. A bottle of wine makes a great gift. Fruit juice. The liquid extracted from fruits consumed as a drink. Example: I love refreshing fruit juice. Orange juice is my favorite. Apple juice is delicious and crisp. Pineapple juice is tropical and sweet. Mango juice is exotic and flavorful. I enjoy a glass of mixed fruit juice. Strawberry juice is sweet and fruity. Blueberry juice is rich in antioxidants. Pomegranate juice is rich and vibrant. I like to blend different fruits for juice. Kiwi juice is tangy and refreshing. Peach juice is juicy and flavorful. I prefer freshly squeezed fruit juice. Lemon juice adds a tangy twist. I like to sip fruit juice on hot days. Mineral water. Natural water containing minerals and often carbonation. Example: mineral water is naturally sourced and refreshing. She prefers to drink cold mineral water. Mineral water is rich in essential minerals. I find that mineral water aids digestion. He prefers sparkling mineral water over still. I like to add a slice of lemon to my mineral water. I keep a bottle of mineral water in my bag. I choose mineral water for its natural purity. Mineral water is a staple in my daily routine. I feel refreshed after drinking mineral water.